A reliable camping stove can elevate your outdoor cooking experience, whether you're boiling water, grilling steaks, or simmering a hearty stew. From powerful gas burners to versatile wood stoves, the best camping stoves offer portability, efficiency, and durability. Whether you're backpacking solo or cooking for a group, find the perfect stove to fuel your next adventure. Number 1. Jetboil Genesis Camping Stove. The Jetboil Genesis Camping Stove is a top-tier choice for campers and outdoor enthusiasts looking for a powerful, compact, and versatile cooking system. This portable dual-burner stove can function as a standalone cooking unit or integrate seamlessly with other JetLink-compatible stoves for expanded cooking capabilities. Designed for group cooking, the Genesis features adjustable flame control, allowing for precise temperature management, from a gentle simmer to a rapid boil. Each burner delivers 10,000 BTUs, boiling 1 liter of water in just over 3 minutes, even in cold conditions as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit -6 degrees Celsius. The compact, space-saving design ensures easy transport, as the burners fold and nest neatly inside the 5-liter flux ring cook pot. The kit also includes a 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick fry pan, a strainer lid, a windscreen for enhanced performance, a fuel regulator, and a carry bag. It operates with a 16.4-ounce propane canister, sold separately. With its reliable lever igniter, durable build, and 1-year limited warranty, the Jetboil Genesis is a premium choice for outdoor chefs who need efficiency, power, and portability in one well-designed package. Number 2. Camp Chef Big Gas Grill Camp Stove. The Camp Chef Big Gas Grill Camp Stove is a powerhouse for outdoor cooking, designed to deliver high performance and versatility. Featuring 3 30,000 BTU burners, this propane stove provides exceptional heat output and precise flame control, making it ideal for everything from searing steaks to simmering sauces. With an impressive 608 square inches of cooking space, this stove is perfect for feeding large groups and families during camping trips, tailgates, or backyard gatherings. The removable legs and folding side shelf enhance portability, making it easy to transport and set up wherever adventure takes you. A standout feature is the Deluxe Barbecue Grill Box, which includes a pre-seasoned cast iron grill grate that ensures even heat distribution and restaurant-quality searing. Whether grilling, boiling, or frying, the Big Gas Grill is built to handle it all with ease. Backed by Camp Chef's commitment to quality and innovation, this stove is built to withstand the rigors of both backcountry adventures and backyard cookouts. For those seeking a powerful, spacious, and portable gas stove, the Camp Chef Big Gas Grill is a top-tier choice. Number 3. Outland Portable Camping Stove. The Outland Portable Camping Stove is a high-performance outdoor cooking solution designed for convenience, power, and durability. Unlike traditional charcoal or wood-fueled grills, this propane stove offers instant ignition with the push of a button, making setup fast and hassle-free for both standing and tabletop use. Equipped with 3 independently controlled 30,000 BTU cast aluminum burners, this stove delivers an impressive 90,000 BTUs of total cooking power. The burners offer precise heat control, accommodating everything from simmering to high-heat searing. Built with a steel frame and high-temperature powder coating, the Outland stove is made for long-lasting performance. With a large 568 square inch cooking area, this stove provides plenty of space for preparing meals, while 2 folding prep tables, each supporting up to 60 pounds, enhance convenience. Portability is key, as the quick fold legs, rugged wheels, and pull handle make transportation effortless. Safety is a priority with CSA certification and a pre-attached 3-feet hose with a regulator. Outland Living's commitment to quality and customer support ensures that this stove is built to perform, making it a top choice for campers and outdoor chefs. Number 4. King Camp Hot Camping Stove. The King Camp Hot Camping Stove is a portable wood stove designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need warmth and reliable cooking capability in rugged conditions. Weighing just 14.5 pounds, it comes with a carry bag for easy storage and mobility. Detachable side racks expand cooking space, while foldable legs ensure stability and compact storage. The chimney pipes conveniently store inside the firebox, adding to its portability. Built with a durable stainless steel frame and high-temperature resistant windows, this stove is sturdy and long-lasting. The spark arrestor chimney enhances safety by preventing sparks from escaping, making it suitable for camping, backpacking, ice fishing, and hunting. The stove generates ample heat, making it ideal for brewing coffee, cooking meals, or enjoying a barbecue in the wilderness. A flame control rotary switch allows users to adjust heat levels, and heat-resistant glass windows offer a cozy, ambient view of the fire. With 6 adjustable chimney pipes, 2.36-inch diameter, it fits various tent stove jacks for winter camping. Proper ventilation is required, ensuring safety and comfort. The KingCamp Hot Camping Stove is a must-have for adventurers who want warmth and efficiency on their outdoor journeys. Number 5. Wimyork Outdoor Camping Tent Stove. The Wimyork wood-burning stove is a durable, efficient, and portable heating and cooking solution for outdoor adventurers. Designed for winter camping, ice fishing, and hunting trips, it provides superior heat output while remaining compact and easy to transport. A standout feature is its 3-sided quartz glass panels, which withstand temperatures up to 1,200 degrees Celsius and offer a clear fire view. To prevent glass blackening, simply open the air curtains at the top for clean, bright flames. The adjustable air vents on the front door allow precise heat control, while additional oxygen inlets at the top enhance burn efficiency. For portability, the stove includes foldable side shelves, sturdy handles, and collapsible legs. The chimney and components store neatly inside, with an adjustable 6-section stainless steel chimney that fits tents with furnace tube vents. A top spark arrestor enhances safety by reducing the risk of flying sparks. Constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel, this stove is built for stability in harsh conditions. Its spacious top surface accommodates cooking, boiling water, and tent heating, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliability and warmth in cold environments.